start with this vase, guys. This is a big vase. I want to start this one because this is a big one. This is 18 inches wire frame, and this is gonna be a bumblebee, okay? A bumblebee design. So I'm gonna start just the base, and I'm gonna cut a ribbon as well, okay? This ribbon are gonna be cut at 24 inches. The deco mesh, not ribbon, but the deco mesh is gonna cut at 24 inches. If you have any questions about that, and the tail for the ribbon is gonna be cut out about 13 inches. So I'm gonna bring you down at this time so you guys can see what I'm gonna create, right? So this is a creation for the deco mesh, all right? Just the base. And first I'm gonna need to add my chenille. You can add any chenille you want from any craft store. It's amazing Facebook how they notify people. I only have one viewer, so, and I have a lot of viewers already. He said followers. 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's say, really don't know how many I need, but I'm gonna pull out some of these, and we're gonna pull out some of the black ones. So what I'm gonna do is just at the last 2 rows, I'm gonna just tie this up like this. Okay. And from here, I'm just gonna keep going all the way around with the yellow, and then I'm gonna come back with the black, and we're gonna put that in between the yellows, okay? On every crossbar, like between, right here in the middle. I love these chenilles. They are fuzzy looking, just like the bumblebees, right? They have this fuzzy look. I love that. Hello, guys. Welcome. So I'm just starting this base. I don't think I'm gonna finish today, but I'm gonna just start it. I said, let me go ahead and work on this because I know summer is around the corner, and I have not created any of these designs. I have like 3 different designs I can create, and they are already on my shop. Hi, Miss Bruce. Welcome. How are you? Hello, hello. So I will be probably doing this stitching again, guys, by probably Friday or Saturday, I would say. I'm going to start pulling items. What is what I need to keep the stitching. Maybe after tomorrow, and then I will do a live sale for the weekend. Okay. How you been, Miss Bruce? Anything exciting with you? Any new creations you've been creating? Right now, we're just gonna add this beautiful chenille. This one is also black, and it has a lot of shimmer on it. Okay. I found this one probably was Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree. Okay. I get a lot of black and yellows when I find them because that's a very popular color for me on my shop. Anything bumblebee theme, it goes quickly. So when I see something like yellows and black or ladybugs, I grab it. I grab it. How's everybody doing? Are you guys ready for summer? Summer is around the corner. I haven't planted anything out there on my plants, on my pots. That's another thing I'm excited to start working on it probably on the next month or so. Okay, now here I'm gonna just come on every crossbar, the second layer inside, and I leave it out like this way, and then these ones I just move it in, okay, the little chenilles. Not right now. Husband is having surgery on Tuesday. We are very fickle about that. Oh, I understand. Sending prayers to your husband that everything goes well. I know when he says surgery, schedule, so you cannot get prepared for that, right? To give it all the time and attention to your family member. My father, he's gonna turn 80 in June, guys. 80 years old. So we're also planning ahead toward that. And I was thinking, I don't need to be doing this crafting probably for a week or two, just to get ready for that gathering. You know, all the good stuff, the decorations, the cleaning of the yard, and all that stuff. So my husband and I, we need to get on it. It's our 19th wedding anniversary. Oh, nice. Miss Bruce, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm on my husband and I were on our 26 years anniversary already. I think it's gonna be 27 in June. For us, it's gonna be June 15th. It's always exciting, right? One more year, one more year. Getting closer to the 50. Because nowadays it's hard. A lot of people they don't hold, or work on their marriage. It's easy to get out. On Tuesday. Oh, nice, Miss Bruce. Yeah, you gotta celebrate somehow, right? So this is the base, how it's looking. Just the chenille, right now. Now the deco mesh, I'm gonna cut it probably at 24 inches. Okay. Every 24 inches, I'm gonna cut a piece and then incorporate it on the design. I'm not gonna do all of this on my live, but I just wanna show you how it's done. And I will come back maybe tomorrow and finish it. But today we're gonna cook dinner. I pull out something from the freezer. So I need to go out of there and start cooking. Start cooking dinner. So I'm just gonna cut a couple. Okay, so you guys get the idea of how this is done. So this is 24 inches, right? And every time I put away my rotary cutter, I kind of close these blades. I leave it closed right now. Just remember that. Okay, you need to cut it. Close it every time you use it. Oh, I'm hot in here. Forgot to turn on the AC. Like I mentioned, we leave it on, but my then it's off by the time we get here. I have not to turn it. I had not turned it in. Turned it on yet. Okay, let's see. Here we have this one, right? Since it's the black one, I'm gonna put it right here with the yellow chenilles just to give it a little contrast, right? And vice versa. Next one, I'm gonna use the yellow. And the yellow is also gonna be same way. So this is gonna be just like this. So if it's a little bit off, I always gotta start all over. Okay, just like that. I love this yellow. This is the bright yellow. It's not light yellow. It's the bright, deep yellow. And that's one thing I look for my bumblebees. Gotta be the right yellow, right? When I go out there and look for deco mesh, sometimes I don't buy it if it's not this one, the bright yellow. Gotta be the bright yellow. So how's the weather where you guys are? Is it nice like here? It was cold yesterday, guys. It rained yesterday and the temperature dropped. And then this morning it continued to be cold until now it kind of warm up. I was fixing to put away all my jackets, but I'm glad I didn't. Okay, so we're gonna just come here to that one. All right, so you see how it's going. Just gonna place it like this, you know, the rolls like facing side to side. And then here I'm gonna put the yellow. But that's very simple, right? You need to go around like that. But I'm gonna do all this off camera after dinner because I need to get this one done maybe by tomorrow. And I'm gonna start on a grapevine after this one. Yes, but that's very easy, right? It's a very easy method to do. And just go around like inner circle and the outer circle. It doesn't matter. It's not doesn't matter where you start, if it's on the outside or inside. But once it's done, it's all